Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can disable or enable the profile image when you are joining in a meeting. For example, I'm showing what's my problem right now when I'm going to a new meeting, when it's turning on, right? So if I turn on the or start the meeting, you will be able to see this thing. It's showing my name only. So for some reason I have just enabled my name, but I don't want to show my profile picture. But you can see my profile picture is already here, right? So profile picture is already showing in my account, but I have hidden my profile picture for some meetings. But what's my problem right now? I want to enable it again. So what I have to go, so as you can see, I'm right now in the Zoom. This is the Zoom home page. You have to log in. After login, just go to your my account, go to the settings. So when the settings will come, it is loading. So as you can see, it's not showing my inside this meeting, in my account settings. Inside you have to go to this option tab, meeting. So inside this meeting all the settings are present. You have to scroll down, but for my specific problem, as you can see, my name is only showing here. So what I will go, this option, you have to find that option, hide participant profile. So if I enable this thing, for example, right now it is enabled, right? So that's why I can see any of the participant image also. So right now I'm going to disable that thing. Let it close my account right now, my meeting right now. Okay, cross it. So it is now saved. So as you can see, when I'm turning it on and off, it will update it automatically. You can see this option, your settings are approved, and again I have to hide it. So my target is I want to see my profile image here. So let's open another meeting. Yeah, you can see right now my image is showing. And yeah, so this is my personal meeting room. So right now I have enabled this one. So if I want to disable at the same time, you let me close my meeting. So at the same way, if you want to disable your picture, if you want to disable your profile picture, just enable this option. And if you join again one more time, right now I'm disabling this thing, and yeah, you can see my name is only showing, right? So by this way you can easily enable and disable the participant image or your image also, right? So I hope this video will help you, right? Thank you everyone.